Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Just Jury. So I am going to be showing you guys how to style your old hair, and it's kind of like a get ready with me. So I'm starting off with fresh washed hair, if that makes sense, and then I'm just going to use my wide tooth comb to go through it, and everything is pretty much self-explanatory on what I'm doing. If I feel like something needs to be explained, then I'll explain it for you guys. Now I've had my hair installed in my head for about a month and a half, almost 2 months, and I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how the hair is, keeping up since I've had it installed. I did get this hair off of Amazon as well, so I am just, wetting the hair and using some curling product to, make the curls pop a little bit more as well. Right here, I'm just applying a little bit of this curling product that I got from Walgreens onto each section of my hair after I detangle it, and this just helps to define my curls a little bit more. Alright, please don't judge me on my hair, but I am getting ready to lift my closure up. It's super old. Like I said, it's almost 2 months old, but it's coming down in like a week. I've been working like crazy, but anyways, I'm just using this edge control just to kind of give me some little baby hairs to make it look, more natural with the curls that's going on with the weave. So that's pretty much all that I'm doing right here. So this is an extra step. You do not have to do this step if you do not want to, but I'm just applying these gold bobby pins that I had laying around the house. I'm going to apply 4 to each side, and yeah, it just adds a little spice onto my little hairstyle.